In large industrial plants, safety is not just a protocol, it's a lifeline. A small, unnoticed gas leak in a confined area once halted an entire production line, all because no one could detect it in time. That's when industries realized, prevention starts with precision detection. Introducing the GT-6022-WP Smart Multigas Detector Transmitter from Ambitronics. A powerful solution from the trusted name in gas detection and industrial safety. Features. The GT-6022-WP is designed for reliable detection of oxygen, toxic, combustible gases, and volatile organic compounds, VOC, ensuring no leak goes unnoticed. It supports pluggable gas sensor modules for easy replacement and servicing. The digital display provides clear real-time gas concentration readings. Equipped with data logging for calibration, alarm, and fault history, all stored safely within the system. Highly resistant to poisoning and etching, built to last in harsh industrial environments. RS-485 communication port with Modbus RTU protocol for seamless integration. And with dual alarm levels and one fail-safe relay, safety is guaranteed at every level. Applications. From refineries, gas cylinder banks, and chemical processing plants, to heat treatment units, water treatment plants, and pulp and paper industries. This detector ensures safety in every corner of your facility. Precision, protection, performance. From Ambitronics, India's trusted name in gas detection and safety solutions. Internationally, we serve clients. We have a strong national network with service centers in 16 major Indian cities. Our infrastructure.